Have you ever wondered how a single person can create multiple and bulk YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok videos in a short time frame? If you start creating shorts or the reels from your end as manually, it takes so long to create it one, and it's totally impossible to post 500 or 600 reels or shorts in a time span of day or month. It's really embarrassing to start a shorts as creating manually to make hundreds and thousands of videos in a span of short time. But people are following some magic in between. So let's learn to create 500 YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or for the TikTok videos in less than 30 minutes. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. We are going to create 500 YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or TikTok videos in Canva. So for this we are going to use only two tools or the two AI tools. One is ChatGPT and the another one is Canva. First of all, let's come to the site ChatGPT. The URL is chat.openai.com. You can simply create an account on it to get started. There are some of the extensions as well, but we don't need of them. On ChatGPT, we are going to give a first prompt. The first prompt is get me 500 quotes on the main topics. It's on love, friendship and breakup. The quotes should be made of two verses. The first verse is about creating curiosity and suspense to wait for second verse. Like the first verse goes, if you really love someone ... The second verse comes, you have to let them go. This is the first prompt we are giving to ChatGPT, and simply click the enter button. It gives the prompt. Definitely we need to ask for multiple times to get 500 quotes upon these topics. As to continue, you can simply copy it or just click on this continue option here, just to follow these steps to make 500 of the quotes. And we simply give the second prompt here, and the second prompt goes, differentiate these on a table within only 3 columns, as the main topics would be the category section and first verse and second verse respectively. We give this second prompt and we simply click on this enter button. Now we say only create the 3 column, and it gives on the proper format as main topic, first verse, second verse. So now I ask ChatGPT to get more in a same format. So it gives as accordingly, and we can simply copy it and paste it. ChatGPT works upon the prompt, so it has not much capacity to explain all the thing or the words into the action. So we need to give instruction manually. First collect 500 of these quotes on the different topic as friendship, breakup, relationship things, and it gives on and on and on. So now let's come to the site Canva, and we simply click on this video option where we can select any of the video template or video format. Simply click on it. We can see several of the templates based on the YouTube shorts or reels. Simply select or look for the lob. As we can see, there are different templates. Let's select any of them. For now, let's come to this ChatGPT. Simply copy the first verse and the main topic. Simply copy this one. Now come to the Canva and simply make title of it or the main category of it. It's on the lob, so simply click the lob one and also give the effect. Let's change the color to white. Let's keep on this side, and there is already a font, so simply go for it. We simply paste the first verse here. We make at the top and also give the effect to different one as outline. Let's duplicate it by clicking Ctrl D. Now come to the ChatGPT and copy the second verse of it. Simply copy it. Now paste to the Canva. Let's select this font as well. And simply select the first verse, and we are going to set the timer for it. Click on this 3 dot option and show timing. We simply make it as 8 second long or the 7 second long. Now let's come to the second verse and simply click on 3 dot and show timing. So let's give a gap of 1 or 1.5 second and just to make the length of it as 3 or 3.5 second, and simply decrease the size of this background, and let's see it and let's preview it. Okay, so it became the 12.1 second of shorts, or we can simply change the animation of them. Let's give different animation to all of the elements over here. We simply click on this first one, the first category one. Let's go to animation section and select any one of them. Let's select this shift one here in trans only, and for this first verse let's animate it in a different way. Let's go with this typewriter option here. Let's select this on intro only, and for the next one also do the same on intro only, and once again let's preview it. Okay, so for now let's go for the real magic, how we can create multiple or bulk YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or TikTok videos. So for now let's go to this ChatGPT. For instance, I'm only going to go for 5 or 10 of these shorts, and the rest process is the same. So let's select the cute from this header to its end, simply copy it. Now come to the Canva and simply go for this bulk create option, or we can simply find it by going on this app option and simply search for bulk option, and we can get this option here. There are two options to upload. Since we are not going through the upload CSV option, we are going for enter data manually. So simply click on it and create the table, and let's click on this T button and simply paste it here, and simply click the done option here. There are 3 of the data form, so we need to connect them first. So for this one, the first one, we simply go to this connect data option, and it is the main topic. Okay, the category or the main topic, we select this one, and this one is the first verse. So we do the same as going on to this 3 dot, simply click on it, connect data is the first verse, and for this one we do the same as going 3 dot and connect data as a second verse. As we can see 3 of the data field been ticked, and we simply click continue here, and we can see there are 15 of the cutes been added or connected. We can do rest of the cutes as the same, and we can create in bulk amount of shorts. We simply click on this generate 15 pages option, click on it, and here we can see the shorts being created in bulk. So now if you have to change the background of it, we can do it manually. It has not attached the automatic features yet, so we need to do it manually. So let's select any of the shorts here, and we can simply go to this element section and simply type for this keyword, any of your keyword based on your niche, and simply click on this video. And we simply click on it and click on this 3 dot option and replace background, so it replaced the background. Let's change for another one. Let's choose any of the video over here. We do the same as 3 dot option and replace the background. You can follow the same step until you reach what is the amount of shorts or reels you want to create. Let me add you some more, for example, and then you can eventually get the point. Again, come to the ChatGPT and select few of them, simply copy it. Now come to the Canva, the same option bulk create, enter manually, and you can go to the end part of it. You can simply click on it, and the new row has been created. Simply click on it and paste over here. There are overall 23 now, so let's click on this done option and continue. Now we can see the 23 here, and do the same step, generate. In a way you can create as much as you want, not only 500, but you can create 5000 as well. So after making all the changes and all the cutes been placed into the place, you can simply click on this share option and click on this download, and you can download it and use for your social media as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, TikTok, wherever you want. So it is the pretty easy way to create a mobile phone video for the YouTube Shorts, Reels or TikTok. You can post it or schedule it as accordingly. It doesn't take more than 30 minutes to create overall these steps. Since I am on the process of guide you, so it took me some of longer, but if you do the same as following all the steps, then it doesn't take more than 30 minutes. Some additional part I would like to add on this tutorial. You can add music on it as well. For this, you need to go to this element section, and any of the music that you can find inside of it on the audio section, simply drag it to the editor part. You can fix the audio as according to your sorts. You can simply adjust your volume. Simply click on it and go to this option and simply adjust the volume, and you can simply select different audio for each of the sorts. And you can also add the layer, on the sorts that you have made. Simply select the layer, and you can add the layer as well. For this, you need to go to this element section and select this rectangle one and make it fit to the screen, and simply make the transparency level a bit lower. You can go with any of the color that you like. You can create it manually, or you can go with the one sort as on the previous one. If you set this layer and music thing on this part, then it goes automatically to the rest of the sorts or reels, whatever the amount that you are going to make. And if you like to get this template, you can simply get it from the description section. I'm gonna share it on the description part. I'm going to share the prompt that I have used for this video tutorial. That's also will be on the description section. You can get it from there. Okay, so it's all for this tutorial. See you in the upcoming tutorials.